We got new pins.
We got new pins.
First pin, rabbit or the rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. It's a blueberry mini. Blueberry mini. I also have a new setup that I'm using today. And I'm also recovering from a cold. So if I sound funny or everything looks funny, that's mint tart. Oh, I don't like how they printed it. They just printed it on her face.
Hey, Angel!
Do we have this one?
We do not.
I couldn't remember. We've been searching for this one for so long. I was like, do we actually have this one yet?
That's
Yay! Pizza mini. This is cute. I like this one. Baymax. Drink your milk. Dale. Chip has a chocolatey chip nose. Some sort of weird drink. This is not the Cheshire Cat. You know who this is? This is Pain.
Oh, from Pain and Panic, you're right. Alright, that's what we got.
I don't know how long I'm going to wear these ears because it's very windy today. And they're pushing in a place that is uncomfortable for my shinishes. We're also trying a completely new setup. I actually have a whole mount thing going on here. New tech, new things. I'll probably do a review video on it, depending on how well it goes. This is its first major test, to the point where I actually didn't know, I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy, I actually didn't know if I was going to use it today, right before I started filming, because I couldn't get it to work, and now I got it to work. So, long story short, we can actually see what I'm filming with a better front video now. So yay. Oh, and my in-laws are here somewhere, or they will be here. So, the wind, the wind. We're going into Comminicore Hall, and we don't know what's inside. Oh, it's AC though. Wow, they don't have, what's the point of having a festival center if we're not going to use it for a festival? Pardon the attitude, but why? We got the Irish shake and it's good. We've made it over to buy test track, and we're getting, I'm assuming, the fry flight. The sun has come out, and it now feels like a sauna. What are you getting?
The fry flight.
It's figured. We get it every.
On the list.
That is what's on our list. So we actually were able to stop by Food and Wine and grab one of the passports. So we went through it ahead of time and marked everything that we want to do.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato with nuts, and then this is garlic,
Parmesan, and
then
regular sea salt.
regular. Oh, you can't even see. I feel like we get these every year.
Nope.
No?
We've got them before, but not every year.
I feel like we get them every other year.
Yeah, I tried that one. It wasn't great. Does it smell like barbecue sauce to you? It smells like barbecue sauce. Yeah, I don't like it.
It's too sweet for soup.
The favorite one that you and I loved? You know, it was funny. I was saying something on social media. I can't remember if it was Twitter or what it was, but someone made a comment. Oh, they were complaining about the design of the trash cans. And I said, well, as long as the top of the trash cans are clean and I can eat off of it, then I don't care. And someone commented, you're eating off of the trash cans? And I said, clearly you've never been to Food and Wine before.
Yeah, it's French onion soup, all right. The soup part is.
I want whatever
the
this
onions
is.
in the dumpling.
Pulling apart. Hot.
What is this? Do you want to open the book?
It's good, but it's really hot. You know what's interesting is the flavoring, like the spices, are not dumpling. Like, it doesn't taste like you think it's going to taste.
What you're asking, Dan?
It's not bad.
He's asking what this white stuff is.
So we got chicken dumpling with buffalo sauce, celery root puree,
That's what you guys got.
Yeah.
When
blue cheese cream,
we got French
crumpled
onion.
blue cheese, shaved carrot, and micro celery.
We got the French onion soup style dumplings that are literally in soup. They're it's good. It tastes like
Pork and
something I
beef soup
probably
dumplings.
should have been eating the last week.
Yeah, it tastes like soup.
What is this one, Jared?
That is the street corn style dumplings.
And then what is the other one?
The buffalo style dumplings. So we got one of each.
Cool beans.
No, it's a fighting game that I was looking at. Yeah.
Oh, is that like a coconut? That's cute. This is the crab cake.
That's the crab cake.
I'm gonna try this crab cake. The sun is beating on my back.
I think I've had this before. I know I've had those things. Pesky things.
I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. Do you like that? It's almost too fishy, and that's a lot coming from me.
It does have a little bit of a fishy taste. It's not terrible, but it definitely...
It has a much better aftertaste than an initial taste, if that makes any sense.
But taking a bite out of it definitely brings me back to those
It's very
fish
beachy.
places on the,
It's very beachy.
that New Smyrna.
It's very beachy.
What's the one, not the one in the shopping center?
Off the hook.
Off the hook.
Yeah.
It tastes like how off the hook smells.
Ooh, hold on to your food. It tastes like how it smells. Right here? Yeah, I don't know why, but they're.
why.
They don't have a store in there. They don't have entertainment. There's no special decorations. I was under the impression that this area was supposed to be, because for art festivals, they had the Broadway stuff. Remember the Broadway museum they had in here? It was so cool. And then Flower and Garden, they had the topiaries. And then for holidays around the world, they had the big gingerbread, Spaceship Earth, and all those fun treats. But even last year, they had something in here. Because I remember you got mac and cheese with bacon, and now there's nothing. So crazy. I don't know why. This is a new little seating area that they have made. In all of Harvest Hollow, who's the most, oh my god, that's a word, debonair of chaps who dines on tasty dishes in between his naps. He rarely shares his bites, even though he should, for he is the best fed fox in the Bramblewood. This is so cute. And they have this little area over here. 5 to 12. Only ages 5 to 12. Well, what if I want to play on the leaves and such? Here's a star. It's a lily pad. There's another lily pad. Oh, they found a table.
Yeah.
River trout
All
with
right.
vanilla butternut
Comment
squash
below.
puree,
Do you
Brussels
think
sprout
that's
salad,
salmon or
candied
trout?
bananas.
Because we think it's salmon. Feels like yummy. I should know this because I'm a fish connoisseur, but isn't the only kind of fish that's pink salmon? Isn't that the whole thing? Salmon pink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
yeah,
color?
That's a color. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm not doing that.
Is trout another word for salmon?
No, I don't think so.
Is a salmon a river trout? It could be.
I'm gonna bring you to a water.
I don't think so.
Maybe river trout is the word for salmon.
These Brussels sprouts are not cooked enough. That one's hard. This one's hard. I like my soft veggies soft. Not crunchy. These are good though.
The river trout is a freshwater game fish from the Salmonida family,
Oh,
typically referring to the various species of trout that inhabit rivers and streams such as brown trout or certain forms of rainbow trout.
so yes, it is a trout of sorts.
A salmon. Yeah. Ask them what the difference is.
Another one of the displays. Little cake. Apple pie. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Looks like they're giving it a little personality. Harvest tallow. How cute is that? Jared is getting a stout. I think it's a peanut butter stout. I will not be eating it because I do not like beer. I see what he's doing.
Oh, okay. 6 and 99%.
Don't say they're trying. You give this to Rick. Wait, Oliver, come here.
I didn't film me eating the cheesecake. It was so good it disappeared like that. It was very good. It was perfect. Melted too quickly though. It's raining sideways. It's raining sideways. We're gonna go undercover. That's tasty.
Not bad.
What flavor is it?
It's raining bubbles.
I was like, why are there bubbles in here? You wouldn't describe alcohol as spicy?
If it was spicy.
Tangy?
Bitter.
Oh, Remy. I thought you said it's raining. I'm like, no, it's not.
I could have convinced him and gone and had with him and put him in the field behind his house.
Oh yeah, he's definitely done it.
He would have been all over.
Bubbles. You can't see them, but there's bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. I love when they like have the bubble wands facing down and it just shoves the bubbles everywhere. It cracks me up. She's so cute. She's got an aerial bubble wand. There's bubbles everywhere. It's been raining off and on a lot, so I haven't been able to use my vlog setup, and I'm kind of bummed about it. But it is Florida, and it is fall, so it shouldn't surprise anyone.